Welcome to Life Science Exhibition. I am Dr.C. Hemavathi, Associate Professor of Botany, Government First Grade College for Women, Vijayanagara, Mysore. Life Science Exhibition organized by Department of Botany, Zoology and Chemistry. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the sunrays that reach us, and the food that we consume every day are all gifts from the environment. National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February to commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. The first National Science Day was celebrated on 28th February 1987. The basic objective is to propagate the message of the importance of science and its application among the people. The theme of the National Science Day 2020 is Women in Science. Life Science Exhibition was inaugurated by Dr. Sudha S., retired principal of Maharani Science College, Mysore, and also retired associate professor of zoology on 25th February 2020. Gender roles were largely deterministic in the 18th century and women made substantial advances in science. 40 women have been awarded the Nobel Prize during 1901 and 2010. 17 women have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics, Chemistry, Physiology, or Medicine. The Life Science Exhibition was held as a part of National Science Day celebration in our college. It's a small effort to inculcate the scientific and research blend in the students of our college. The exhibition focused on all the departments. The Department of Botany, the student exhibited various types of posters, chart pertaining to medicinal plants, food plants, and fruits. The posters mainly focused on tissue culture, ethnobotany, medicinal values of fruits, plants used to cure various diseases like PCOD, arthritis, fever, cough, cold, diabetes, etc. 32 medicinal plants were exhibited and described very neatly and very briefly by the students. Synthetic seed preparation and also vegetative propagation technique were also demonstrated by the students. Ayurvedic preparations like Astachurna and Triphala Churna were explained by the students. Astachurna is a herbal powder used in digestive tract problem. Ashta means a product contains 8 ingredients. Churna means powder. It easily seizes stomachache, indigestion, loss of appetite, improves digestion power. It's a good diet supplement in rheumatoid arthritis. It contains ginger, long pepper, ajamoda, saindavalavana, black cumin and hingu. It is powdered, mixed with ghee and taken twice a day. Triphala Churna is also a powder which is used for multi-purpose treatment like stomach ailment to dental cavities. Triphala is a mixture of dried fruits of amla, Philanthus emblica, tarekai, Terminalia bellarica, alelekai, Terminalia chebula. Posters presentation were done by students comprises transgenic plants. Transgenic plants are the genetically engineered plants, plants that have been genetically engineered, a breeding approach that uses recombinant DNA technique to create plants with new characteristics. They are identified as a class of genetically modified organism, that is GMO. Examples: BT cotton and glowing tobacco, etc. The charts also focused on medicinal uses of fruits. Fruits are very important in our daily diet. Many dried fruits like almond, which improves hemoglobin, cashew nuts, which control cholesterol, fig eating prevents hypertension, apple helps us to develop resistance, banana gives very much energy to our body, kiwi fruit increases bone mass in the body. The best poster award was given to the poster which explained about the plants which are used to cure diabetes by the judges. It explained about different plants like bitter gourd, Maimaudica charansia, Amrita balli or guduchi, Tinospora cardifolia, fenugreek, Trigonella phenum graecum, neem, Azadirachta indica, insulin, Costus speciosus, Madhunashini, Gymnema sylvestris. The plant like Costus speciosus, commonly called insulin plant, reduces blood sugar level. It can be grown in every house. Another plant, Philanthus emblica, commonly called amla. It is used to cure diabetes, control blood sugar level, increases immunity and also improve hair health. Helps in losing weight, a good source of vitamin C. Synthetic seeds. Synthetic seeds are a very important tool of biotechnology. In nature, seeds are mysterious genetic capsules which store the genetic information and carry forward to the next progeny. Synthetic seed, one of the most promising tool of biotechnology which could be tailor-made for horticulture and agriculture improvement at present as well as upcoming days. As all the propagules used for synthetic seeds preparation are produced through the in vitro clonal propagation, sodium alginate and calcium chloride solutions are used to prepare synthetic seeds and can be stored in cryopreservation. Many plants, especially the medicinal plants, were kept for exhibition. Example, Vithania somnifera, ashwagandha, which belongs to Solanaceae, which is having anti-cancerous property and reduces blood sugar level, and it reduces stress and anxiety, and it increases the muscle mass and also strength. It's a general tonic and for improving thinking ability. Students are very enthusiastic in explaining and imparting their knowledge to the all the observers and also to the students as well as staff of our college. One of the most fascinating creature in nature is bird. These, besides of their wonderful and colorful beauty, they also help us to know various ways like pollination, scavenging, etc., and also without whom there will be no ecological balance. So, our idea was to enhance some knowledge about these beautiful creatures, their present status in today's world, and also to create awareness about the conservation of birds and nature. Initially, charts of various birds have displayed based on the categories mentioned in the red data book, that is least concerned, threatened, vulnerable, endangered, and extinct species. Along with these, some birds endemic to Western Ghats were also displayed, including our state bird, Indian roller. Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist, naturalist, sometimes referred to as Birdman of India. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird survey across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. Bird most amazing character is its courtship behavior, that is attracting its mate for mating. Each bird does it in its own way by singing, dancing, preening, building nests, etc. Charts related to this were displayed and videos were also projected. To conserve the birds, it is essential to protect their natural habitat. One of the most important habitat is the wetland ecosystem such as swamp, bogs, fens and marshes, which provide food, shelter and protection for the birds. So, a small replica of this ecosystem was created to give an idea about this ecosystem and its importance. Alongside a brief display of applied zoology was also exhibited, which included silviculture, vermiculture and apiculture. The species and equipment were displayed and rearing were briefly explained. Blood is a fluid connective tissue necessary for the transportation of oxygen, nutrients, etc., which is very important for the survival of the organism. So, in view of creating awareness about blood donation and blood typing, it's also called grouping, a small camp was held in association with Red Cross. Dr. Shruti gave a special lecture on blood donation and blood typing. She is currently working as assistant professor in the Department of Pathology, Chamarajanagara Institute of Medical Sciences, Chamarajanagara. One of the noble work we can do to the society through our blood is to donate it to the needy. But it is not so simple as we think, as there are 4 blood types, O, A, B and AB, each of which are further of 2 types based on the presence or absence of Rh antigen, that is positive and negative. On the whole, there are 8 varieties, we can say. Hence, it is necessary for each and every individual to know about their blood group, which may help themselves or others at the time of emergency. During this camp, more than 100 individuals voluntarily got their blood group checked. Chemistry department exhibited with models of rain harvesting system, equipment like water oven and incubator. Medicinal plant awareness program was conducted to the school children of Government High School, Utgali. Students from 7th, 8th, 9th standard were assembled and they were enlightened with various medicinal plants and their uses. Like aloe vera. The aloe vera is an ornamental plant. It gives a clear gel and its yellow latex are used in the manufacture of commercial products. It's used in burns, wounds, rashes, etc. It is used to prepare lotion, gel, cosmetic products, etc. Another plant, Ruta graveolens, commonly called Nagadali, which belongs to the family Rutaceae. It is very much useful for women to regulate menstrual problem, to stimulate uterus. It also sharpens the eyesight. It is used to treat cough and stomach issues. Another plant, that is Adusoge, botanical name is Justicia adatoda, belong to the family Acanthaceae. It is a medicinal plant used for the treatment of asthma. It relieves toothache, cures chronic and plant reliefs in pyorrhea and in bleeding gums. The fruit of this plant are used for curing cold, bronchitis, jaundice, etc. It is rightly said that today's science is tomorrow's technology. Edward Teller. A mentor empowers a person to see a possible future. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you.